Hello and welcome. Welcome to learning session number 9 of chapter number 3, which is life processes in living organisms, part 2. Okay. So far in this chapter, we have seen introduction, we have seen asexual reproduction in unicellular organisms, example, binary fission, multiple fission, budding. Then we have seen multicellular organisms में how asexual reproduction takes place. Examples were fragmentation, regeneration, vegetative propagation, spore formation, and again budding. Then we had seen sexual reproduction on plants, which happens through flowers, through androecium and gynoecium. There are the four steps for pollination, fertilization, double fertilization, and germination. Then we had seen sexual reproduction in human beings. We had seen male reproductive system. We had seen female reproductive system, and lastly we had seen menstrual cycle, which is a cycle of 28 days in females. Okay. So today we're going to see how is modern technology useful in reproduction. Okay. So the two words we're going to learn today are anomaly and in vitro. Okay, anomaly and in vitro. So many couples cannot have children due to various reasons. बहुत सारे ऐसे couples होते हैं जिनको बच्चे नहीं हो रहे for different reasons. So कौन से reasons हो सकते हैं? In case of women, irregularity in menstrual cycle, जिनका menstrual cycle time पे नहीं आ रहा है, that could be one reason. Next, difficulties in oocyte production. oocyte production यानी let me go back to the diagram. So ovary के अंदर oocyte is produced and that oocyte becomes ovum, which is your female reproductive cell, right? So कभी कभी oocyte produce नहीं हो रहा. Next, obstacles in oviduct. So where is oviduct? Oviduct is here. Okay, so अगर समझो block हो गया, so अगर ये block हो गया, the sperms won't be able to reach the ovum in the oviduct, right? So अगर ये block हो गया तो भी problem आ सकता है. Next, difficulties in implantation in uterus. So once the oocyte is fertilized here, it unites with the sperm and it is fertilized, it becomes zygote, and the zygote then travels here, and the zygote then becomes embryo, and embryo gets implanted here in the uterus. Implanted यानी वहां पे it will stick to the walls of uterus. Okay, so अगर वो stick नहीं हो रहा है uterus के walls को, again then there will be a problem. Okay, so obstacles in oviduct, difficulties in implantation in uterus, uterus में ठीक से चिपक नहीं रहा वो, and many other reasons are responsible for this. So इन सब reasons की वजह से in women में problems की बात चल रही है. Okay, because of these reasons in women some couples cannot have children. What are the problems in men? So problems in men are absence of sperms in semen. So semen जो है उसमें sperms है ही नहीं. Sometimes that could be a problem. Or slow movement of sperms. When the sperms enter the female reproductive system, they are moving very slow. So that could also be a problem why couples cannot have children. And lastly, anomalies in sperms. How do you pronounce it? AN is an, O is O, N no O, MA is M, and LIES is lees. Anomalies. Okay, anomalies. So anomalies का मतलब क्या है? It is not normal. It is opposite of the word normal. So जो कुछ भी normal नहीं होगा, we will call it as anomaly. If you remember, we had studied anomalous effect of water. Actually, I think we are going to study in some other chapter in Science 1. Anomalous behavior of water. What is anomalous behavior of water? जो normally behave नहीं कर रहा है 0 और 4 डिग्री टेम्परेचर के बीच में, कुछ तो abnormal behave कर रहा है. Okay, so sperms में कोई anomaly है नहीं, it's not functioning normally. Okay, so these are the examples of reasons why or problems in case of males जिसके वजह से some couples cannot have children. Okay, but now with the help of advanced medical techniques like IVF, surrogacy, sperm bank, etc., the childless couple can have a child. अभी medical techniques में बहुत ज़्यादा advancement हो गया, और because of those advancements and techniques like IVF, surrogacy, sperm bank, now the couples who were not able to have children previously can also have children. Okay, and we're going to see all of these three, IVF, surrogacy, and sperm bank, in detail today. Okay, so first one is reproduction and modern technology using in vitro fertilization. IVF का full form क्या है? In vitro fertilization. So in vitro का क्या मतलब है? In vitro means inside a test tube. Okay, in vitro का मतलब है inside a test tube. So in this technique, fertilization, again, what is fertilization? Fertilization is the when male gamete and female gamete come together, male gamete ka example in human beings is sperm, female gamete ka example in human beings is oocyte or ovary. When they unite, that process is known as fertilization. So in this technique, fertilization is brought about in टेस्ट ट्यूब, इसलिए इसको इन विट्रो बोलते हैं. इन विट्रो फर्टिलाइजेशन ही टेस्ट ट्यूब के अंदर फर्टिलाइजेशन. और फिर बाद में बिकॉज ऑफ दैट फर्टिलाइजेशन एम्ब्रियो इज गोइंग टू बी फॉर्म. those that embryo formed is implanted in uterus of woman at appropriate time. correct time पे that embryo is implanted, यानी attach कर लेंगे uterus में of the woman. Okay, so that's in vitro fertilization. IVF techniques is used for having the child in case of those childless couples who have problems like less sperm count or obstacles in oviduct. Okay, so अभी less sperm count है समझो मेल का, इसका मतलब क्या, यूट्रस में कुछ प्रॉब्लम नहीं है, या फिर ओविडक्ट में ऑब्स्टिकल आ गया. अगेन लेट मी गो बैक. यहाँ पे ओविडक्ट में कोई ऑब्स्टिकल आ गया, किसी तरह ब्लॉक हो गया, इसका मतलब कि यूट्रस अभी भी ठीक चल रहा है, राइट. सो यूट्रस में अभी कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है. सो व्हाट दे विल डू इज दे विल डू द फर्टिलाइजेशन इन द टेस्ट ट्यूब और फिर एम्ब्रियो को यूट्रस में इम्प्लांट कर देंगे. ओके, सो किस केसेस में यूज कर सकते हैं आईवीएफ? लेस स्पर्म काउंट होगा मेल में, या फिर ऑब्स्टिकल्स होंगे ओविडक्ट में, तो ये टेक्निक यूज करके द चाइल्डलेस कपल्स जिनको बच्चे नहीं हो रहे, दे कैन हैव देयर चाइल्ड. ओके, एंड इफ यू कैन सी हियर, this is a photo of IVF. Okay, so this is a micro pipette. What is this called as? Pipette. Pipette is basically एक बहुत ही छोटा पाइप जैसा होगा. Okay, micro pipette. This is the ovum, the female reproductive cell, and sperms being introduced through microneedle. तो ये जो ovum है उसके अंदर एक injection types डाल रहे हो. Okay, it's a very small injection, very thin injection. That injection is put inside ovum, and through that injection, sperms are inserted inside. Okay, so that's your IVF technique. Next, surrogacy. Okay, so how do you pronounce this word? S-U-R-R is sur. Okay, S-U-R-R is sur. O is, you just pronounce it as O. G is G, and C-Y is C. Surrogacy. Surrogacy. Okay, so this is surrogacy. So surrogacy में क्या हो रहा है? Some women have problems in implantation of embryo in uterus. Okay, so अभी uterus में ही problem है समझो. Then what you can do? Then such women can take the help of modern remedial technique. remedial यानी helping. Okay, remedial यानी चीजों को ठीक करना, हेल्प करना. remedial technique called surrogacy. Okay, अगर एम्ब्रियो में प्रॉब्लम हो, एम्ब्रियो इम्प्लांटेशन में प्रॉब्लम हो रहा है, एम्ब्रियो स्टिक नहीं हो रहा है यूट्रस में, in that case surrogacy will be used. In this technique, oocyte is collected from the ovary of the women. Okay, जिसको भी प्रॉब्लम हो रहा है यूट्रस में इम्प्लांटेशन का, उसके ओवरी में से oocyte कलेक्ट कर लेंगे. Okay, next, that oocyte is fertilized in test tube with the help of sperms collected from her husband. Okay, यहाँ पे husband है. So what did they do? There is a couple. So let's take them as an example. Okay, this is a couple and they are having problems in having a child. Okay, so after doing some medical tests, what they find out is the problem is that for this woman, the implantation of embryo is not happening in the uterus correctly. Okay, for this woman in uterus में embryo is not being implanted correctly. So what they will do, they will take out ovaries, they will take out oocytes from her ovaries. Okay, so oocytes बाहर निकाल दिए. Next, the oocyte is fertilized in test tube using the sperms collected from her husband. So now if this is her partner, they will collect his sperms. Okay, so his sperms are collected, her oocytes are collected, sperms and oocytes are fertilized in a test tube. Okay, next, the embryo formed from such fertilization is implanted in the uterus of some other woman having normal uterus. Okay, so इसके sperms ले लिए और इसका oocyte ले लिया, they have been fertilized and zygote form हो चुका है. Now if they put zygote in again in the body of or in the uterus of this woman, इसके uterus में already problem है, right, implantation का, so it's of no use. So what they will do is वो zygote वापस इस फीमेल के यूट्रस में इम्प्लांट करने के बजाय दे इम्प्लांटेड इन अ third person's womb. Okay, so they implanted a different woman, some other woman's normal uterus. Okay, so this third woman or this other woman will have a normal uterus, normal working condition में है uterus. Okay, such a woman in whose uterus the embryo is implanted is called as surrogate mother. So this will be called as surrogate mother. who is the actual mother? She is the actual mother, he is the actual father, but she will be called as surrogate mother because the zygote formed from his sperms and her oocytes is implanted in her uterus. That's why she will be called as surrogate mother. So that's your surrogacy. Okay, reproduction and modern technology called as surrogacy. Next, sperm bank or semen bank. So there are various problems in sperm production in case of many men. So as to have the children in case so as to have the children in case of such couples, okay, such couples यानी अगर sperm production में कुछ problem आ रहा है men के, then if they want to have children, new concept of sperm bank has been introduced. sperm bank करके एक नई चीज, नया concept आ गया है. Okay, this concept is very similar to blood bank. Okay, so what happens in a blood bank? You can volunteer to go to a blood bank and donate your blood. फिर बाद में अगर समझो किसी को एक्सीडेंट हो गया, फिर किसी का बहुत ही complicated surgery आने वाला है, then that your blood can be used to save someone else's life. That's the concept of blood bank. A similar case is the concept of semen bank या sperm bank. Okay, so semen ejaculated by desired men. Desired men क्यों बोला? ये basically volunteers होंगे जो खुद से आ रहे हैं and they are donating their sperms. Okay, जैसे blood को donate करते हैं. So semen ejaculate. What is the meaning of the word ejaculated? Ejaculated means thrown out of the body. Okay, so whenever semen is thrown out of the body by desired men, यानी जो लोग खुद से volunteer कर रहे हैं, it is collected and after thorough physical and medical checkup. ऐसे किसी का भी नहीं लेंगे. Okay, they will first check that person's physical condition and medical condition. Only then they will collect their semen. Okay, so after checkup that is collected and stored in a sperm bank. Sperm bank में store कर दिया. Then as per the wish of the needful couple, whenever a couple is having difficulty in having children, तो उनके according to their wish, the oocyte of woman of the concerned couple, वो जो couple में जो female होगी उसके oocyte, वो जो couple हुआ उसके उसमें से जो फीमेल है उसका oocyte is fertilized by IVF technique using semen from the sperm bank. Okay, so couple will have a male and a female, right? So female का वो लोग oocyte ले लेंगे, but because the male is having problems with sperm production, उसका sperm लेने के बजाय they will take some sperm from the sperm bank. Okay, रिजल्टेंट एम्ब्रियो इज इम्प्लांटेड इन द यूटरस ऑफ द सेम वुमन. जिसका oocyte लिया था उसी के यूटरस में फिर वो इम्प्लांट करेंगे. व्हाई आर दे डूइंग दैट? बिकॉज यूटरस तो आराम से काम कर रहा है, इट्स नॉर्मल, इट्स इन वर्किंग कंडीशन ऑफ द वुमन. सो सेम वुमन में दे विल इम्प्लांट द एम्ब्रियो. ओके, and name of the semen donor is strictly kept secret as per law. So the embryo which is being formed or the fertilization of the oocyte which is taking place, the sperm is not from the couple's husband, for example. Okay, the male partner का sperm नहीं है, वो किसी donor का sperm है. So because it's some donor sperm, वो donor किसका sperm use किया था वो implantation के टाइम पे या फिर fertilization के टाइम पे, it is kept secret, वो बताया नहीं जाता couple को, and it is as per law it is kept secret. अगर वो बता दिया you are going against the law. Okay, it's an interesting thing to think about why ये ऐसा law लेके आए. I want you all to think about. Okay, so if there is a couple and उस couple को बता दिया कि किस मेल का sperm donate किया था जिसकी वजह से उनका oocyte fertilize हुआ है, ये बता देंगे अगर, तो क्या प्रॉब्लम हो सकता है. थिंक अबाउट द प्रॉब्लम्स एंड थिंक व्हाई दिस लॉ वाज brought into place. Okay, we're going to move ahead. Yes, so I want you all to practice 3 questions today. Okay, and all of these are end of chapter questions. So first is explain the concept of IVF. Okay, in vitro fertilization. So both of these questions are of either 2 or 3 marks. Okay, 2 या 3 mark का पूछा जा सकता है. Question number 4. So explain the concept of IVF and what is menstrual cycle, describe it in brief. Menstrual cycle, I know it's a huge topic, so you don't have to explain each and every step. Okay, तुम्हें सिर्फ you have to complete your answer in 5 to 6 points. So सब important points तुम्हें बताने 5 to 6 points. Okay, सारी छोटे छोटे details नहीं लिखने menstrual cycle के बारे में. Okay, so both of these answer will either be asked for 2 or 3 marks. Write the answer for both of them, and lastly sketch the label diagrams. Menstrual cycle रह गया था. We have drawn male reproductive system, we have drawn female reproductive system, we've also drawn the flower. Now you have to draw the menstrual cycle वाला diagram. वो जो बड़ा सा diagram से मैंने सब कुछ explain किया था, right? That's the diagram of menstrual cycle. So these three questions are your practice questions for this learning session. Okay. So the words we learned today were anomaly, which is the meaning is not normal, and in vitro. In vitro any inside a test tube. Okay. So that's it for this learning session. I hope you all understood whatever we discussed in this learning session. Do keep thinking about why that law has been brought off with respect to sperm bank, और वो जो sperm donor है उसके बारे में उसकी identity secret क्यों रखते हैं. Do think about it. And that's it for this learning session. Till then, peace.